In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a father named Thomas and his young son, Ethan. Thomas, a skilled carpenter, often took Ethan to his workshop, teaching him the intricacies of woodworking. One day, noticing Ethan's fascination with a complex design, Thomas encouraged him to craft a small wooden box. Despite initial hesitation, Ethan embarked on the project, buoyed by his father's unwavering belief in his abilities. Through meticulous guidance and patience, Thomas helped Ethan navigate challenges, instilling in him a profound sense of trust and confidence. Years later, as a teenager, Ethan faced a daunting academic competition. Overwhelmed by self-doubt, he considered withdrawing. Recalling his father's steadfast support during his woodworking endeavor, Ethan confided in Thomas. Thomas listened intently, reaffirming his faith in Ethan's capabilities and emphasizing the importance of perseverance. Emboldened by this trust, Ethan participated and excelled, realizing that his father's belief was a cornerstone of his resilience. As Ethan matured, the trust his father had consistently shown became a guiding light in his interactions. He learned to approach relationships with openness and faith, understanding the transformative power of trust. When Ethan became a father himself, he passed on this legacy, nurturing his children with the same unwavering belief, thus perpetuating a cycle of trust and love across generations. This narrative underscores the profound impact of trust in father-son relationships. Such trust not only fortifies bonds, but also fosters personal growth, confidence, and a legacy of compassion. Reflecting on our own lives, we can recognize the pivotal role trust plays and strive to cultivate it, enriching our relationships and personal development.